In this video, we want to learn search and find functions. These two functions are pretty similar. The only difference between them is case sensitivity. These two functions find a letter position in a string, in a phrase, in a sentence, and show it as a number that we will find it in practice. The only difference between them is case sensitivity, as I told you. It means in find function we have case sensitivity that we don't have it in search function. Let's practice them. Search one. In this case we want to find D, lowercase one, in the string G3 and close it. As you see, we search for D lowercase, but it said 1, that it's the position of first D in the categorized knowledge, because it's not case sensitive. Now we want to use exactly this formula in find function, and let's see what will happen. Sorry, D lowercase G3. As you see, it's 20, that it shows the D of knowledge, and if you count it from first, you will find its position is 20. Just consider spaces as characters, because they are characters. When you want to count it, you have consider spaces too. Next one, we want to find O in the categorized knowledge by search function. Letter O in G3 and close it. It's number 6 in Deaco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we want to insert start position in our formula to see what will happen. Here again search function. We want O, exactly same letter in same address G3, but here we will insert where we want to start searching. Okay, I put 7, so it will just ignore O of Deaco. You see it's 16 because next O is O of knowledge, and its position is 16. Last situation is when we want to search for a word instead of letters. If we search for this one, site, in categorized knowledge, the number that we will have is the number of the position of the first letter in that word. It means it's just consider S, not site. Let's do it. Search. We want site, or we can just simply put its address. It's H7 and then G3 and close. You see it's 8. Of course it's not 2 because it don't count words, it counts letters, and the first letter here is S, that its position is 8 here.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Diaco Ltd, and if you want to see our products, please visit our website diaco.co.uk.